Hi everyone, how are you? I know I just posted the 2 videos tonight of the turkey breast and we are still working it, and look how much meat we have left. So tonight I'm going to make a turkey Reuben. I thought maybe you'd be interested in seeing that as a leftover. I do them homemade. What I have here is a David's Killer hoagie roll. I know it's normally made on rye bread, but they don't make a David's Killer rye yet, so I'm going to go with what I have, which is this roll. Before I do that, I'm really proud of this. I made homemade sauerkraut and I just tasted it. I just popped the seal. It's delicious. So this Reuben's going to have turkey, Swiss, my homemade Russian, which you're going to see right now. And basically it's not really anything that you probably don't already know. I'm using 2 tablespoons of mayo, a squirt of ketchup. I'll judge it by the color. You know me with my measuring is pretty bad. And some relish. I've got my little oven going in the corner because I'm not going to put the big oven on for one sandwich. I did a forkful of relish and mayonnaise and some ketchup. It needs a little more ketchup, I can tell by the color. You guys, if you have Russian salad dressing, go ahead and use that, or make your own. Sometimes I put a dash of hot sauce in this, but I really want to taste, I don't know what I want my sauerkraut to be honest with you. So this is too much. I can already tell. I'm going to put it on both sides of this roll pretty liberally, but I think I have too much. I do have too much. So I store that little bit in a little container and I'll have it for another one, I guess. So I'm going corner to corner to make sure all the bread is moist. For my diet, I need at least 3 ounces of turkey. So this chunk right here was 3 ounces. I weighed it, and I'm going to just make it into small pieces on one side. It's going to be a typical Reuben. Do you like turkey Reubens? I mean, corned beef Reubens I love, but I don't have corned beef. I have turkey. So a lot of times I've done this with the leftovers, and they're delicious. So on one side will be the turkey, and then I'm going to use this fork for my sauerkraut. I should have had videos going when I started all my pickling. This was a head of cabbage, fresh, with some, I did my sauerkraut with some carrots in it, because it was really like a cabbage salad, but it's my recipe, and I tasted it just now. It is so good. I'm going to use 2 slices of Swiss. Oh, one's on it already. Put one on the turkey, and put one on the sauerkraut. And I'm going to pop it in that little oven, and I'll show you when it's done. The magic of a pause button. We have a melted, warm through turkey Reuben on a roll. Woo! Hot. Some fresh cantaloupe. I'll close her up and enjoy her. What do you think? Would you make a turkey Reuben? I think they look pretty good. I'll probably eat half now. I don't know if I can eat the whole thing, but I'm sure going to give it a try. So this is a leftover for the turkey bone-in breast that I showed you. I boiled all the juices. I've made gravy. You saw that mess. It was a fiasco. Everything's delicious. You can have a hot turkey sandwich from it. You can have turkey with stuffing and cranberries the next day. Whatever you guys love. I love it all. Turkey's good stuff. It's good for you. High protein. These David Killer rolls, you can get them. I got them in Hannaford. Here's some extra Russian dressing. That'll be for another maybe turkey Reuben tomorrow if this comes out good, because I have a lot of sauerkraut. And the next time I do the sauerkraut, which will be next summer, I'll be sure I do a video. Sorry that I look like disheveled, but it's been a day. It is 5 o'clock almost. It's dark outside, and this is my dinner tonight. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching.